Car driving at night with one headlight dead, cut to determined face. Headlights completely dead? Don't let darkness win. You're about to fix this and feel unstoppable. Pop the hood, put on gloves. Park safe, open the hood, grab gloves. You're not calling for help, you're becoming the hero of your own story. Hands behind headlight, unplug and twist out old bulb, show clearly. Find the bulb at the back, unplug it, twist and pull the old one out. Super simple, you've got this. Insert new bulb carefully, plug back in. Slide in the fresh bulb, no bare hands on glass, plug it in tight. You're literally turning your future brighter right now. Close hood, turn on lights, bright beams light up the road, big smile and thumbs up. Close it up, flip the switch. Boom, you did it. Feel that power? That's self-reliance, baby. Car driving confidently into the night with perfect bright headlights. You don't need experts for everything. Like, comment, I fixed it, and subscribe for more wins.